In this video I would like to create some function which will give us some books info. So it means the title, author, year, and so on. For example, average rating. It's completely up to you guys. What do you need? So please create a new def. It will be called, we call it info self, and you can create it by your own. So it means it will give us back some information about every single book, about the book 1, book 2, and book 3, correct? And it's up to you which info it would be. Okay, so please pause the video and try to do it by yourself. Of course, your solution can be different from my solution, and it's completely it's okay, guys. So I would say, for example, return like this. I would put here f string, and it will be, for example, how we can do that. For example, self.title. Okay. After that, I will put here this. Sorry, I don't know how they call it, dash in English. Self author. I like it. And here I will put here self year, and maybe I can put here the result of self okay, self average rating. So we can try it. Maybe you are curious if this will work. We will see, guys, we will see. So I would like to play with only one book, only like this. Okay, put here book 1, book 1, book 1. Perfect. So, and here I would like to print book 1.info. Don't forget the self here, don't forget the brackets here. I will run it, and you can see Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, J.K. Rowling, 1997, 4. Okay, I think it works perfect. So now you can try that for every single book if you want. So it goes like this. We can use the multi-cursor like this. Book 2, I would put here something 2, 2, 1, something very not big, right? Okay, so the second Chamber of the Secret, J.K. Rowling, 1997, 1.7. Okay, very small rating, right? And so on. And you can try that for the book 3 as well if you want, like this. Number 3, and again I will put here 4, 4, 4. And again we have the result. I like it, perfect. You can put here some text if you want. For example, title, write it like this. I mean, for example, title, and so on and so on. It's up to you guys. You can put there a text if you want, so you can do it by yourself. Perfect. So it works, and I will see you in the next video, guys.